ready to effortlessly accept payments online and grow your business. This is your ultimate guide to mastering Stripe. First, let's get you set up with a Stripe account. Head over to Stripe.com and click Start Now. You'll need to enter your email address, full name, and create a secure password. Once your account is created, you'll be prompted to activate it. This involves providing some essential business details like your business type, legal name, and address. Stripe uses this information to verify your identity and comply with regulations. Now, let's explore integrating Stripe into your website or platform. Stripe offers flexible solutions for developers and non-developers alike. For simple setups, you can use Stripe Checkout, a pre-built, customizable payment page that requires minimal coding. For more advanced customization, Stripe provides a robust API. This allows you to build a fully branded payment experience tailored to your specific needs. You can find detailed integration guides and documentation on the Stripe website. Once integrated, managing your transactions is a breeze. Your Stripe dashboard is your central hub. Here you can view all incoming payments, monitor payouts to your bank account, issue refunds, and access detailed reports. Stripe automates payouts directly to your linked bank account, ensuring you receive your earnings on schedule. You can configure payout frequencies and view your transaction history to stay on top of your finances. If you ever need assistance, Stripe's comprehensive support resources and developer community are readily available to answer your questions and help you navigate any challenges.